What's up, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add your fingerprint here on the Yamiry lock. Really simple, but we're going to be digging into the app first. After we dig into the app, I'll show you that it's going to be your fingerprint right here 5 times to set it up. But I'll go ahead and walk you through it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. All right, so here I am in the NiceDigi lock. I'm going to go ahead and click in on the lock. And if you don't have it set up yet, I have another video on the top on how to do it. But we hit the Members tab on the bottom. We'll go ahead and click into a user. And from here, we're going to tab the fingerprint button. And we'll hit that Add button to get us to the next step. But from here, you're going to be deciding which finger you want to use. And after you decide that finger, you're going to place it on there 5 times. And as you're doing it, the system will be telling you, yep, again, and then it'll let you know that it's been finalized. You'll select which finger that you used. I used my right index finger here, but that's how easy it is to set up. I will say after you set it up, go ahead and test it, but there you guys go. Let me know if you have any questions. It's pretty easy to set that up. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you guys want to see other videos on locks, please leave those in the comments, and thanks for watching.